The first step is to turn on the config setting. Navigate to your config settings. Search for Allow Inventory Preallocation. Type 1 to turn this config setting on. Click Set. To set preallocation on a PQuote, when entering a PO, navigate to the PQuote line Edit, and look for the field Reserve/Allocate To. Start by clicking Purchasing. Go to the PQuote line Edit. Scroll down and click More Options. Scroll down and go to Reserve/Allocate To. You can select order line or customer to allocate these parts to. This is unset by default. Search for either the customer or the order line. Select the customer or order line from the option and click OK to save. When the PO line is received, the pre-allocation setting will transfer to the resulting bin created from that PO line receipt. Click Receive. You can also do this on PO lines. Navigate to the PO Edit screen. On the PO Edit screen, scroll down to the line and click Advanced. Here you will find Reserve/Allocate To. After the PO line receipt is received, you can see the bin shows that this has been pre-allocated to the order you selected. To edit already existing inventory, go to a bin and click Edit. You can allocate this to a customer or an order. This functions the same as the PQuote edit line. Search for your customer or order line. Once you have selected your customer or order line, click Set Bin Data. You can view the pre-allocated bins in the part waterfall. Here you can see the available and pre-allocated parts. Cetec separates the pre-allocated inventory from the available inventory. Any inventory allocated for a customer or order will show highlighted in red. In the parenthesis is the CT pre-allocated to the order. The CT not in parenthesis is the pulling from the CT available, the general bucket. There is also a hover tip. You can also see the POs that are allocated to orders or customers. Those will also be highlighted in red. If you have pre-allocated certain bins to a customer or order, the bin will only show up on that order or orders for that specific customer. They will also show up highlighted in yellow so you know that the bins are pre-allocated. That's it. You've successfully pre-allocated inventory.